This presentation will provide information on how an online e-consultation service offered by Medical Fitness to Drive Consultancy can help you. We study the case of Mr. Y. Mr. Y faced difficulties in renewing his Group 2 bus lorry license. Despite being asymptomatic with severe aortic stenosis, the DVLA's medical fitness guidelines required him to complete a full 9-minute exercise tolerance test. Unfortunately, his osteoarthritis prevented him from meeting this criterion. As a result, his license renewal was refused. The refusal of his Group 2 license meant he was unable to continue working as a bus driver. Although the DVLA suggested he could provide supporting medical evidence, his own healthcare providers were unsure of the exact clinical documentation required. This left him in a vulnerable position. The case underlines the confusion that many drivers face when navigating medical licensing regulations without specialist support. Here we see the turning point in Mr. Y's case. By booking an online e-consultation with the Medical Fitness to Drive Consultancy, he was able to access expert advice not readily available from his usual healthcare providers. During the consultation, an MFTDC specialist doctor clarified what alternative forms of medical evidence the DVLA would accept in place of the exercise tolerance test. Importantly, MFTDC provided Mr. Y with a clear and detailed written report, which he could take to his cardiologist. This demonstrates the value of specialist guidance. With the guidance received from MFTDC, Mr. Y's cardiologist was able to prepare the appropriate alternative medical evidence for the DVLA. This evidence was accepted and his Group 2 license was successfully reinstated. Consequently, Mr. Y could return to his work as a bus driver, preserving both his career and livelihood. This outcome demonstrates the real-world benefits of online e-consultations, providing individuals with tailored support that might otherwise appear insurmountable. By offering accessible online consultations, MFTDC helps individuals navigate the complex landscape of DVLA medical requirements. Their expertise ensures that drivers receive clear, personalized advice and guidance on what medical evidence is needed. This prevents unnecessary career disruption and provides reassurance during what is often a stressful process.